Okay, 1600. I've been beaten by bloody 1600s before, so let's not try and throw the game. He's already playing badly. Okay, I need to punish it. Let's... Okay, what if I go here? What are you going to do then? Okay. The thing is, I'm just so far ahead in development. It's just ridiculous. Let's attack the queen. He shouldn't have moved the queen. That was a terrible move. If he goes here, I can attack the queen again. The thing is, there's nothing concrete that wins there, I don't think. Let's just go here and just be ahead in development. Because I need to, like, start putting pressure on him and attack him somehow. Let's castle this way. Because his king is still in the centre of the board. So I want to just open it, basically. Just open up his king. These pieces are still undeveloped, which is good for me. Let's take with this. I want the open file. That can't be the move. Surely not. Okay, now I hit your queen. Oh, that Silas guy is watching. Where's the win, man? That's just double. He shouldn't have played King of 8. That's just a bad move. Okay, let's attack the thing. I bet you the engine will say that this is like probably like +3 for white. I have this move. Not hanging anything, I don't think. Okay, I just go up. Could bring the knight back. I was thinking I'd maybe have this move. Could even just sack. Here, here, there. This is getting annoying because there should just be a win somewhere. Okay, let's trade bishops. Silas cancelled because he didn't want to wait a while. Oh, okay. That's alright. I'll challenge him soon. That's a free pawn. Where is my win, man? This is ridiculous. You can't go here because of the pin. This is defended, but of course he wants to take it anyway. Let's go e5. Thinking of just sacking. Because I want to go there. The whole point was to dislodge this pawn. Now I'm hitting the queen. Also ideas of going in here. And then taking. And just doing mean things. Okay, now let's check. Let's take. I'm just trying to open up his king. That's literally all I'm aiming for right now. If he takes with a knight, I think I go here and then do weird things. I think. Let's sack. I don't see how this can't be winning. I mean, if it's not winning, fair enough, but it just has to be, like, surely. Okay, there's check. I want the king to come back this way towards my pieces. Because now I can bring the rook up. If he goes here, there's check. Now he has to block with this, with the knight, but then I go check. Then he goes there. Then I take. Okay, so I'm doing well, obviously. It's just how to continue the attack. I could check. He goes there, check. Okay, check. There. Check here. Let's go there. Let's win a rook. Nice game. Oh. Yeah, I kind of didn't need to calculate sacrificing the rook. I kind of just... Yeah. So I'm just instantly better here. Yeah, fair enough. Was there a main? No. Oh, I should have taken. There. Ah. Yeah. Even so, I still...